Do air purifiers help with mold? That's a great question. I'm Glen Coleman with Indoor Pollution Solutions. The answer to that question has two parts. First, an air purifier never helps with mold that is already growing. Never. For example, if you have mold growing on your bathroom wall, an air purifier will not clean up that mold. Certain air purifiers do destroy mold in the air, which will prevent that mold from growing. Some air filters can remove mold from the air which passes through them. Now you know, air purifiers can help to prevent mold growth, but they never clean up a mold problem. If you have a mold problem, never spend your hard-earned money trying to clean it up with an air purifier. I'm Glen Coleman with Indoor Pollution Solutions. Remember, if you've got mold, call Glen first. You could save thousands.